Hi students. Now exercise 4. First question. Which of the following are adjacent angles? What are adjacent? Two angles are having common vertex that are called adjacent angles. Common vertex. Then they are called adjacent. First figure see AB. These two adjacent angles. This is adjacent angles. Next second figure CD. These two also common vertex. These two angles having same common vertex. These also adjacent angles. Here third figure observe. Here angle E, angle F. Different vertex having. This is separate angle. This also another separate angle. Means these are all not adjacent angles. First, second adjacent angles. Third one not adjacent angles. Next second question. Name all pairs of adjacent angles in the figure. How many pairs of adjacent angles are formed? Why these angles are called adjacent angles? Here observe AOD and DOB. These two adjacent. AOD adjacent BOD and BOD adjacent BOC. BOC adjacent COA. Like first pair observe angle AOD and angle BOD. Next angle BOD and angle BOC. So BOD BOC adjacent. Next another adjacent angle BOC and angle COA. So like another one is there. Last one angle COA adjacent angle AOD. See here AOD adjacent BOD. Next BOD adjacent BOC. BOC adjacent COA. COA. Next COA adjacent AOD. So adjacent means continue. So here four pairs of adjacent angles are formed. Here how many pairs of adjacent? 4. 4 pairs of adjacent angles. In two angles are having common vertex and hence they are called adjacent angles. Next third question. Can two adjacent angles be supplementary? Draw the figure. So can you two adjacent angles be supplementary? See here, yes. Answer third one, yes. See here diagram. Adjacent like this take. Here A, B take. So here what about that A plus B equal to 180 degrees. So adjacent angles sum supplementary means 180 degrees. Next fourth question. See here fourth question. Can two adjacent angles be complementary? Complementary means 90 degrees. Yes, we can draw. Yes. So for example take this diagram supplementary like. So like this take. Here X. Here Y take. Complementary means sum equal to 90 degrees. X plus Y equal to 90 degrees. Next. Fifth question. Give 4 examples of adjacent angles in daily life. First one they given one example. Angles between the spokes of center of cycle wheels. Cycle wheels spokes, that angle between adjacent angles. Like 4 examples. First one in daily life, when duck open mouth, that is angle symbol. So duck open mouth like this will be. So another example, this is duck open mouth. Open mouth. So second one less than symbol. Second one less than symbol, that is adjacent. Open scissor, when open scissor. So another one, right? This only right. Spokes center cycle wheels. Spokes cycle wheels. Cycle wheels. So when duck open mouth, less than symbol, open scissor, cycle wheels. Spokes of cycle wheels. These are in daily life adjacent angles. Next, exercise 5. Draw the figure pairs of angles, adjacent angles. Check whether they form linear pair. So what is linear pair? See here, linear pair. So linear pair means what? Adjacent to opposite angles is equal to 180 degrees. See this diagram. So this is AOC one angle, BOC another angle. These two sum equal to 180 degrees. So like these angles we call linear pair. This also. Sum of two adjacent angles equal to 180 degrees. Here these two sum we get 180 degrees. That is called linear pair. Like that in first question. So first one 135, 45 degrees. 135 plus 45 we get 180. Means that is linear pair. So how to draw this one? First one 135 plus 45. We get 180 degrees. So like this we can draw linear pair. So 45 means 90 below, 45 degrees take. Next to this one 135 degrees. So this is linear pair, first figure. Next second 90 plus 90. 90 plus 90. How to draw? The angles form a linear pair. See here 90 plus 90 we get 180 degrees. So in this angles form. So linear pair, how to draw? Like this. So adjacent sum equal to 90. So here also 90. 90, 90, 180. The angles form a linear pair. These two. Next third figure see. So third one. Here see 140, 55. 140 plus 55 degrees. We get 195. So in this the angles does not form a linear pair. Why? Because here 195. 195 is not a linear pair. So this is not form a linear pair. Third one, this is not a form a linear pair. Second question, Niharika took two angles. Niharika took two angles 130 degrees and 50 degrees and tried to check whether they form a linear pair. She made the following figure, means picture. See here figure 130, 50. So in these two they asking adjacent or not. So see here down. Can we say that these two angles do not form a linear pair? If not, these two do not form a linear pair. If not, what is Niharika's mistake? So these two, if in case linear pair, if in case not linear pair, what is mistake? She taken Niharika. See here, this is adjacent two angles opposite only linear pair. Here opposite like is there. So here observe 130 plus 50. 130 degrees plus 50 we get 180. But this is not a common R. No. The two angles have no common arm. No common arm means common vertex. The two angles are not common vertex. So the two angles have no common vertex. The two not a linear pair. So here can we say that these two angles do not form a linear pair? If not, what is Niharika mistake? Here observe diagram. Here 130, here 130, here 50. So this is not adjacent. If any two adjacent angles sum equal to 180, that is linear pair. But here Niharika taken opposite angles. 130 here not given, here is there 50 degrees. 130 opposite is there 50. So 130 plus 50 we get 180. But the angles have no common vertex. No common vertex. So these two not linear pair.